Hey guys, I'm Jayce. Welcome back to Farmstead Forge. Today we are going to do some easy, simple hardware for one of my post vise. I've already forged a spring. If you want to see me forge a spring, you can check out this video right up here. So I have some 1/2 by 3-inch stuff that I have. I put a score mark in here. It's mainly just so I know, keep my fold nice as I come out of the fire. And then I also cut this up with a hacksaw. I'm gonna forge these out and around just a little bit. It's gonna be easy hardware, but I still want it to look like it was done 100 years ago to match the vise. I also have some square-headed bolts that I dug out of my scratch bins. One was way too long, so I cut it off, retapped it, and some square-headed nuts. You can forge square-headed bolts out of regular bolts if you wanna have that look. And then I just got a little block that we'll have to drill later, and we'll get to that. So while this big piece is heating up, I'm gonna show you a nifty little trick on how to straighten the leg. Now, I didn't get this one perfect. It's still got a little bit of a wobble to it, but this forge weld is all right in through here where it bent, and it's not a very pretty forge weld, so I don't know how good it is, and I didn't want to risk playing with that too much and causing it to come apart. chose not to clean this vise all up because I think where it's going, the person is plenty capable of cleaning it up. And I really want the thumbnail to pop so you guys watch my video. I punched these just so I had a nice punch look, and then I finished drilling them. These ones, I wanted them to be pretty precise, so they didn't. They were as tight and nice as I could get them. Then I'm going to go ahead and double nut these just so those don't back off. It's like an old school locking nut if you're not familiar with that. Another way to do that is have bolts that are the correct length to your nut, and then you take a cold chisel and clean up the end of your bolt and your nut all in the same place once you get them tight. Oh, boom, just like that. Do just a little bit of adjusting to the spring, and then I'll have it. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of some quick, simple, easy hardware. I imagine that back in the day, if they were doing a quick fix on a vise in a blacksmith shop, that's probably about how it would have went. If you'd like to see me forge some nice, pretty hardware, more original to the vise, you can check out this video right up here. I also have another sticker for the sticker board, and this came from John at Farmstead Forge, so that's pretty darn cool that he sent me a sticker. So if you guys like the video, hit like, hit subscribe, and we will keep it simple, and we will catch you in the next one.